Hi, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video that I've put together for the channel. Well, officially anyways, I have other videos on there from long ago, some personal things I'll just leave on there. It doesn't matter, just some cool stuff I put together. Anyways, the focus of this channel, and I should have done an introductory video when I started, I guess, just introducing myself and my mission as far as what this channel will offer. Just like yourself, probably, I'm in the midst of online marketing, building websites. I write scripts. I've written a couple novels, just different media type stuff. And I'm just going to combine all that knowledge into this here channel and give you what I know, and hopefully you can share down in the comments and show me what you know. And if you could just like this or share this or join the channel, I would appreciate it. As you know, that's how you grow. That's how you grow your network and your channel. And if you could do that for this channel, I would appreciate it. And what I want to do this time out is just share some links that I've collected over a time frame, just some helpful links that I've put in this spreadsheet. Obviously, I have a whole spreadsheet. There's more up above, a lot more, but it's got my passwords and my logins to other stuff. But this is just to give you a representation that I do keep a log of all this stuff, all of the helpful links that I have, and I just think it's probably a good idea for you to do that in some capacity, just to keep everything organized. I'm a very organized person. And if you're not, maybe try to get into a habit of somewhat organization, just to make things easier. So the first link that I want to show you that is very helpful is Loom. Now, I'm using Loom right now to record this video. It's free to sign up and it's free to use. It's very effective. And then this is how I make my videos. Obviously, I can do screen captures of what I'm showing you. I can also do split of screen capture and camera. I just don't happen to have a camera on this particular computer at this time, but I will be adding that so you can see my pretty face. It's just loom.com. Just sign up and play around with it. Play around with all these websites. I'm not going to go too in depth with them. You can get on and do that on your own time. I'm sure you're perfectly intelligent people. I'm just there to shoot out the link to you, and you can go on there and see how effective it's going to be for your future endeavors. All these links are pretty spectacular. So I've got them all up at the top here. I've only got a certain amount for this video, and I'll probably make other videos depending on the length to show you other things. Some of these I use on a regular basis. Some of these I don't particularly use at all. I assume I will be using them in the future. I just have them on the spreadsheet because I know I will be using them in their effective websites. This particular one, is not one that I currently use, and it's a lot of the people that I watch their webinars. A lot of marketing people use this. Again, it's very effective. I've seen it in use. I've been to enough online webinars to know how it functions, and this is webinarjam.com. And I'm going to put all these links below, so you can click the links below. I'll have them all there, and some of them may be affiliate links, just as a heads up. So yes, as you know, affiliate links, I do get some type of kickback on that to help my channel and help myself. And if you can link off those, I'd appreciate it. You know how it works. And then if you have any links of your own, affiliate links, your own links, please put them in the comments, and I will be more than happy to go and check those out as well. And if I feel that there are something that are going to be effective for me now or the future, I will certainly use those. Okay, so this is a cool one to check out. Again, it's webinarjam.com. It's how you set up your webinars to get people to go to see what you're doing, your marketing ideas, whatever you're selling as far as your product. And it's a cool little tool. And I don't particularly use it right now, but I will be using it in the future. So I'm going to X that one out. Okay, and let's continue. I'm breaking this up in pieces because I'm actually working right now my real job. So just like you, I'm trying to get away from that and focus on this. But I'm multitasking and getting paid while doing this. Just don't tell my employer. So this next link here is ClickMagick. I have used this. It's very effective. It's if you want to see what's being clicked and what type of traffic you're getting, this is instrumental. It is a paid service, and I stopped paying for it just to the fact that I'm not quite up there yet. I'm just starting I know just enough to be dangerous, and that's why I'm sharing my knowledge with you. So it's clickmagick.com. That's clickmagick.com. Very effective. Go in there. You got a 14-day free trial, and yeah, add that to your collection. Get Response. Now, this is one I do use regularly. So this is for my emailing list, and it has landing pages. It has a lot of stuff that other services have, so I just focus on this. Again, I'm not a major marketer at this time. It's not really my ambition to be a million gazillionaire doing webinars where I have my Mercedes in the background in my mansion. It's not me. It's not something I want or need to do. If I get to that point, perfect. It's not my goal. I use this for my email list. It's great. It's $16 a month I pay. So that's getresponse.com. I would definitely add that to your link. And next one here is Lead Pages. And again, I was paying for this once upon a time. I felt that I did not need it for what I was using. It's very effective if you want to create awesome lead pages. I can do this on my own through my website, through my web pages, and I'll probably do a tutorial in the future, just showing the differences. Again, it's a very great tool. A lot of the masters use it, and I would add that to your links, leadpages.com. All right, the next one here we got going as soon as it will load. ClickSure. So if you're going to do some affiliate marketing, which I have done, here's some products that you can sell through your affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you a bunch of them. This one's clicksure.com. So I would recommend getting on there and looking and taking a poke around. The next one's going to be oberio.com. I believe that's how you pronounce that. That's OBERIO, as you can see, .com. Again, other products that you can sell and for affiliate marketing. And the next one is cookie.io. Cookie.io. Again, same deal. So you can see different products that you can sell. Just add that to your list. And again, I will put that below. And the next one is Teespring. Same deal. And you can put that below. And our next one is AliExpress, which I use a lot. Now, this one I'm trying to shy away from just because a lot of it's Korean products, Chinese products. I don't know. I don't have anything against either country. Since COVID, I'm kind of more American product wise to support my country. Again, that's a personal choice of mine. So this is it's a good site. It's a good site to use to sell products. If you're going to make an e-commerce site and do reselling of products, it's perfect. It works. I've used it. And again, it's just a personal choice of mine. It's not it's not politics or anything. It's just how I feel. I guess it is a little politics. So the next one is, I believe, Thieve.co. Thive. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. That's THIEVE.co. Add that to your list. That's another place where you can sell products on. And the Warrior Forum, I put this in here. I don't really use this. If you need, I get enough off of YouTube. If you have questions or need information about marketing, certainly go there. It's warriorforum.com. I do believe you have to be approved to get into this, and I was approved like a year or so ago. Do I use it? Not particularly, but it's something I have on my list of links in case I do need it. In case I do have a question, I can go there and ask it. Fiverr. I'm sure you've all heard of Fiverr. This is excellent. I get a lot of logos. In the beginning, you saw a little video of my company's logo, and to open up this video, and that's where I got this from, very low cost. I tip very well if they do a good job. I encourage that because these people do work hard. They charge very low. And then once you get the product, they offer you an option to do tips. So I encourage you, if you have the money, to do the tips, right? Or just towards the future when you are making money, just make sure you tip very well for whatever product you're getting. Look around this site. It's awesome. I get logos, animations, and caricatures, just a whole bunch of different stuff off the site. I use it regularly. Okay, next one is tax jar. This is pretty cool if you want to figure out what type of taxes you're going to charge each state, each country. It's very cool. It's self-explanatory. If you're not sure what to charge in taxes, and here you go. Go to taxjar.com. Okay. And let's see what else we got here. I think this is just another tax jar page. All right, this is Make GIF. This is very effective too. So makeagift.com, and you can see I made a GIF of my my opening crawl, and it's exactly what you think it is. Just take a piece of video that you want to make a GIF into, and you can put animations and stuff on there, and text and everything, and you can make more multimedia for when you're posting different things, different links and things like that, different pictures. And you know what a GIF is. I don't have to tell you what that is, but it's an effective site that you can use. It's very cool. So webinar.jam, I've already showed you that. I was just opening up to look at something else, and this is just an empty tab. So those are just some of the links that I have for you. I'm going to make another video or two with more links. I just don't want to make this video too long, and I hope these are links that you can look at and they're effective for you and they work out for you. They're great links, and I wouldn't be sharing with them if they weren't. So I thank you for your time, and this is my first video. I'll try to make them more comprehensive as I go, so I apologize if I'm long-winded or talk too fast. All the links are below. Again, if you could share or like this page or join, that would be perfect though. And please comment down below, and I will talk to you next time. I'll probably do an introductory video after this, just to give you an idea of my website and who I am, if you care. And I thank you, and have yourself a good day. I'm going to stop this recording. Loom.com. All right. Bye-bye now.